Hey y'all, I'm back with another mukbang. Ooh, I'm excited because today I am having one of my most favorite foods ever. I am having a grilled cheese turkey sandwich or a turkey melt, however you say it. But I live for a good turkey sandwich. It could be turkey on one piece of bread folded up. It could be turkey on two pieces of bread sliced on the diagonal. It could be turkey with lettuce, tomato, mayo, a little honey mustard. It could be a turkey sub. It could be turkey on a croissant. Like, I love a good turkey sandwich. So I have a grilled cheese turkey sandwich on a croissant. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste this. I just wanted something different than white bread today, so I chose a croissant. I've got some pickles here, some chips, and I am going to have a butter pecan root beer float. Like, I love root beer floats, but I love butter pecan ice cream. And one day I was just like, you know what? I wonder how that would be together. And I've been having it like that since then. So let's go ahead and dig in. I am hungry. I put in a little bit of work today, so I am ready to eat. All right. Mm-mm-mm. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. These are barbecue chips, if you couldn't tell. That pickle was good. Nothing like a good pickle with a sandwich. Mm-hmm. Let's have a bite of this. I hope it tastes as good as I imagine. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 Y'all, that is so damn good. Oh my goodness. I have the classic grilled cheese, American cheese, but um I put a little mozzarella on there. And that just set it off. Go ahead and take a bite. Mm. Mm. It's so good. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Real quick, I want to shout out my dad. He just became a subscriber. I talked to him the other day and he was like, just wanted you to know I've been watching the videos. And I'm like, really? And so thank you, Dad, for being a supporter. My dad, James Guerin. Shout outs to you. Love you. Dad, this sandwich is... I'm going to have to make you one. Mm, 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 mm. Top came off. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. That frothy goodness. Oh my God. Ooh. If you haven't tried it before, definitely try a butter pecan root beer float. It's the truth. And I'm mad because I forgot my spoon. Man, I got a spoon anywhere. Of course I don't. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is really good. Mm. This right here, this is like the holy grail of chips, the folded chip. If I get a folded chip, it just, I don't know. Do y'all get happy when y'all get a folded chip? I don't know what it is, but it's like, it's just special. I don't know that they taste any better, but excuse me, see? that chip, it was good, but it just didn't hit the same as the folded chip. Speaking of, do you guys like grilled cheese sandwiches? If you do you have chips with them? Do you have fries with them? Do you have pickles with them? Like, tell me what's your favorite grilled cheese combo. Do you call yours a melt? Do you call it a panini? I mean, I know a panini is when you put it in a press, but some people only eat them that way. So just tell me what your favorite grilled cheese is. It's so good. Whew. Mm. 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 It's so just like creamy and sweet. Mm. Mm. That good mozzarella. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is the end, my friend. Get in there. Ooh, partially folded chip. Mm. Oh, excuse me. I am so full now. But when I tell you, this was good. Do I have any more? Let's see if I can. Mm. That pickle, y'all. My food, honestly, is always good, but it's something about a turkey sandwich that just, it just does me in. And that little, like, y'all know that vinegary, sour, tart kind of flavor from the pickle and that crunch, it just takes it to a whole nother level. Take one more sip of this, and then I'm going to get my spoon so I can eat my ice cream. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment. I comment back. But just thank you for supporting the channel. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.